Okay, we got the RV moved into the position it's going to be for a little bit till we get out of here. But I want to de-winterize this. I want to make sure there's no standing water in the tank. I might just bleach it and see if any water comes out. I don't think there should be. Nope. But I'm going to sanitize it anyways. I'm going to put a little bleach in here and run it through and rinse and repeat 2 or 3 times. We don't drink this water anyway, so it's not a big deal. We do brush our teeth, but that should be okay once I get it all rinsed out. So yeah, let's get the slide out and let's get these tanks filled, get some bleach in here. I'm gonna probably put, I don't know, a half cup. I know it's like a quarter cup every 15 gallons, so I'll adjust it accordingly. I'm going to start filling it up until I see it coming out here. And if there is any residual stagnant water, it'll come out. So once the freshwater tank is full, I will leave it sit overnight. In the meantime, after that's full, I will be connecting the water here and flushing the system from here over, and then this will, once this is full, I'll turn the pump on and get there's a winterizing fluid in the pump too, so that'll clear it out of the pump. So that this will be first for purging the system. Okay, we're hooked up to city water, so let's go purge the faucets inside. And we can't forget about doing that shower too. We gotta do that shower at some point before we do everything else. You open this drain. All the foam and pink are gone. Usually start the faucet that is furthest away from the pump. So we're in the back bathroom and that's furthest away. Starting to clear up. Still got some foam. Let's shut this off and try, let's try the shower. Let's get this rug out of here. Let's try turning on the shower. Got a little kitty litter in here because this is where the kitty litter goes. That's getting clear. Let's turn this on again. That's getting good. That's clear. Alright. We'll do the hot later when we do the bypass. The hot water is shut off right now because you don't want this going through the hot water heater. It's clear. Okay, it's the next day. I shut this water off, the city water, and I turned the pump on inside and I ran all the faucets so this fresh water with bleach in it would go through all the lines. I ran that for a while. It's going to sit. I'm just draining out a little bit out of the tank now because I'm going to have to refill it at some point. So I'm going to let the bleach water sit in those lines for a while. and purge those in about 12 to 24 hours. And I'll just keep rinsing. I'll just fill this again a couple more times, keep rinsing it out, getting water through it, and then eventually turn this water back on. I wasn't going to show the whole process. You know how to open faucets and things like that and let the water run. So that's it for the water. Or I think we're all ready to go. I noticed this happened over the winter, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to do that. My first instinct is to cut it and then put it on best I can and seal it with some sealant, but we'll see what YouTube says. I'm gonna look that up. Anyway, we're looking pretty good. You like it outside? Huh? So I hooked up the water, the city water. I turned it on. Everything works, good pressure in there. But I noticed the water regulator is at 0. It's not working. I don't know if over the winter maybe there was a little water in here and it froze and broke something in there. But I probably should have brought that in over the winter. I had it in the compartment back there. I thought it was all drained out. But I do have another one I'm going to try to install and see if that one works. Okay, new one installed. Let's go turn on the water and see if it works. Moment of truth. Yeah, we got pressure. It looks a little high though. I don't like it up that high. That's at 50. Yeah, I need to turn that down. There's an adjustment screw right here. Okay, we're at 40, so that's just perfect. That's just what I want it. Everything's working good now. Alright, let's end the video here. I've done enough for today, the last couple days. See you next time.